In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scheduling Google Business posts with AI. If you want to save time and keep your Google Business profile active, using AI to schedule your posts is a smart approach. It helps you stay consistent, and consistency can support better visibility in local search. The good news is that the process is simple once you have the right tool in place. The first thing you need to do is choose an AI scheduling tool that works with Google Business Profile. Instead of posting manually every time, these approved third-party platforms let you connect your Google account and plan content ahead of time. Some popular options include SEMrush Local, Social Bee, Localo, and High Level. These tools usually combine two useful features in one place: AI content generation and a scheduling calendar. That means you can write, edit, and schedule your post without jumping between different apps. Once your tool is ready, the next step is to generate your content. Rather than writing every post from scratch, use the built-in AI assistant. In the prompt box, give it clear instructions about what you want the post to say. For example, you can ask it to write an update about a new special offer in your city. The more specific your prompt is, the better the result will usually be. You can also customize the output by asking the AI to match your brand voice, use industry terms, or sound more local and natural for your audience. In some tools, you may even have the option to create royalty-free images along with the text, which can make your post more eye-catching. After the AI creates the draft, take a moment to customize and preview everything carefully. This is an important step because AI can save time, but you still want to make sure the final message is accurate and fits your business. Check that the wording is clear, relevant, and professional. Also, make sure the post follows Google's guidelines, including the character limit of up to 1,500 characters. It's also a good idea to include a strong call to action, such as learn more, book now, or call now, so customers know what to do next. Finally, schedule and automate the post. Use the visual calendar in your tool to choose the exact day and time you want it to go live. Try to select times when your local audience is most likely to be active. Some tools also let you automate your calendar by setting a posting frequency, like 3 times a week. That way the AI can help you maintain a steady flow of content with much less manual work. And that's how to schedule Google Business posts with AI in a simple, efficient way.